Today I will going to unbox MI Camera 360. So let's unbox it. All motion detection alert, Alexa built in with Google Assistant. Branding of me. Again branding of me. Home. Some specification about camera. तो चलिए अब बॉक्स को ओपन करते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं। इसके अंदर है हमारे अडेप्टर और डाटा केबल जिससे कैमरा चलेगा। See its volt. Now we will take out our camera. User manual. Now we will take out our camera. Hanger for camera. Quick unboxing. This is our camera. We will test now this camera. This camera will connect with Wi-Fi. Now we will connect this cable to adapter. Then we will test it. चलिए अब इसको टेस्ट करते हैं। Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest unboxing and technology videos. Adjusting camera. Putting data cable in camera. Camera is on. Glowing yellow light in camera. Now blue light. Camera head can rotate up to 360 degree and all motion detect. This have one speaker and one mic. Downside reset button. This camera I can go up and down. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please comment.